Want to know how to provide excellent customer service in your courier transportation business? Let's unravel the secret together. As we delve into the world of courier business, remember that customer service is the keystone. It's not just about delivering packages, it's about delivering smiles. Great customer service can turn first-time clients into loyal customers. Conversely, poor service can drive them away, tarnishing your reputation. So, are you ready to charm your customers and keep them coming back? Stay tuned to learn how to take your customer service game to the next level. Improving your customer service starts with understanding what your customers need. It's not just about moving parcels from point A to point B, it's about creating a fulfilling experience for your customers every step of the way. A cornerstone of excellent customer service is prompt communication. Keep your customers in the loop. If there's a delay, let them know. They'll appreciate your honesty and transparency. Speaking of transparency, it's also crucial in pricing. Hidden charges and surprise fees are a surefire way to lose customer trust. Be upfront about your costs, and your customers will respect you for it. Next, we come to reliable delivery times. No one likes to be kept waiting, especially when it comes to important deliveries. Make punctuality a priority in your courier business. It's a simple gesture that goes a long way in building customer loyalty. And of course, handling complaints professionally is of utmost importance. Every complaint is an opportunity to improve. Listen to your customers, understand their concerns, and take necessary action. Your willingness to rectify mistakes can turn a disgruntled customer into a loyal one. But don't just stop at providing excellent service. Go above and beyond with special promotions. A surprise discount or a loyalty program can leave a great impression on both new and existing customers. It's a small investment that can reap big rewards in terms of repeat orders and customer loyalty. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to providing top-notch customer service. So, to recap, excellent customer service in the courier transportation business is all about meeting and exceeding customer expectations. We've journeyed through the importance of customer service and shared some actionable tips that can help elevate your service to a whole new level. We've seen how vital it is to provide prompt, reliable service and add that personal touch to make your customers feel valued. We've talked about the significance of being transparent, flexible, and how crucial it is to handle complaints professionally and promptly. Remember, even a small token of appreciation can leave a lasting impression on your customers. We also discussed the potential benefits of implementing these tips. Not only can they enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, but they can also boost your profits by attracting return customer orders. Implement these tips in your courier business today and watch as your customer satisfaction rates soar. Thanks for watching, and remember, your customers are your biggest asset.